I wanted to replace my meat thermometer, which only went up to 220 degrees because I just wasn't sure that it was really working anymore. So I decided to check out the ThermoMaven F1 Stealth meat thermometer. And this is what comes inside the box. So you're going to have the digital meat thermometer, you're going to have your user manual, and also a temperature guide for meat. So I want to dive a little bit into it. We're going to test it out and see how to use it. So the digital meat thermometer takes a AAA battery, and it is held on back here with a screw. It does take a Phillips screwdriver, so just keep that in mind. And it takes one AAA battery. As you can see, mine came with it. I'm sure that yours will as well. But I wasn't sure about it, so I decided to bring along my own battery just in case. So do know that a battery does come with it. Now, for me, I need something super easy because if it's not easy to use, I'm not going to use it. Now, check this out. When I open it, it automatically reads the temperature. And I'm going to hold on to it and see if we can't make it change. It may not because, I mean, it's my fingers. But look, I go ahead and close it and it immediately turns off. How easy is that? So this thermometer goes up to 572 degrees Fahrenheit. And that could be great, especially if you are doing meats or if you wanted to do something like candy. So here's what I've done. I have a pot of boiling water, and we're going to go ahead and see how fast it accurately reads the temperature. So let's go. I mean, that's fast. Something else I noticed, now this is cooling down since we just used it, but something else I noticed is that it will automatically change the position based upon how you are holding it. Now over here is going to be a lock button, and you can actually press it and it'll lock it for 5 seconds. But if you keep holding it, then it's going to hold on to that temperature until you depress it. So that's really handy. So I just put this inside of the pot of water and I held down the lock button so you can see 211 degrees. So I let it go, and of course it's coming right back down. Now to clean it, it actually says that all you need to do is wipe it down with an alcohol or food safe antibacterial wipe to prevent cross contamination. And that's it. So right here on the back, it'll also give you what those internal temperatures are for your different meats. I think that's great. And if you're looking to upgrade something simple like this to something a little bit more new age, something that's a little bit more digital and easy to use, I highly recommend trying this out.